What's up, guys? How are you, everyone, wherever you are? It's your girl Massive. If you're new, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always sticking by. I know, guys, but today's video is quite a different one. It's a sit down video. It's been a while since I did a sit down video. I used to like this kind of videos because they're quite easy. And today video is all about me, your girl, because I have so many subscribers, new subscribers. Let me say, I have so many new subscribers, and of course, most of you don't know who is this girl. You just want this girl doing some hauls, some Shein hauls, and other stuff. And of course, you would like to know who you follow with. Just fair enough, anyway. So, anyway, let's jump straight to this video. We shall be unboxing some stuff that I've gotten. You see, I have so much stuff here that I ordered, and the best part is that I don't know most of these things apart from the PLT and Amazon. The rest, I don't know where they're coming from, but we shall be opening them. Anyway, so for those who don't know me, my name is Mercy. Yeah, I'm originally from Kenya, and let's open this first. I'm originally from Kenya, and I moved to UK 2022. Yeah, recently I moved to UK because I got married. Yeah, I got married to my husband. Then, of course, I had to move to UK because if you know, long distance relationship are not easy. So, yeah, I was lucky enough. I moved to UK. Then, yeah, ever since I've just been living in UK. And apart from that, I decided to open YouTube channel. That was, I think, 2023 when. Yeah, I had nothing to. I had no friends. I had no one to. And you know, UK can be depressing, especially. I came during this. I think December holiday or something, and it can be so depressing. So of course, I decided to open a YouTube channel, and here I am right now. And the other juicy story is that. Let's open this before I tell you the juicy story. So this package is from PLT. Whoop. Yeah. Yeah, this package is from PLT, and their shoes, their boots that I ordered, they were on offer, and I can't wait to style these boots, guys. You know, it's fall, and you know, ooh, I'm looking so far to styling these boots. And yeah, these how the boots look like. They're quite long boots, the flat boots, which I don't have. Oh my god, look at them! Look how long they are. Yeah, this is how long they are. This size, I wear size 6, that is that 9, and I can't wait to wear these boots. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me try one and see. So I'm gonna try them and I'll see how they look on me. But okay, you're not gonna see. I have still my gym clothes because I'm just from the gym. I decided let me just come and do this haul just quickly before, not haul, this unboxing quickly. As you know, who is this girl? Oh my god, they're quite long. I've never had boots that are super long like this. On the picture, they never looked this long. I'll attach them somewhere if you're looking forward to buying them. They are quite on offer. The black ones are expensive. So this color, I don't have this color. I have black boots, and yeah, these ones are quite cheap. And if I wear these ones with some sweater, or some shorts, and some sweater, I have an idea of how I want to style these boots in my head. So please follow me on my Instagram if you're looking forward to see how I'm gonna style these boots very soon. Very soon. Yeah, it's so comfortable. I think I'll buy inner soles that I don't like the way they feel inside. So PLT shoes are quite like hard inside. So I love them when they have like some sponge like shoes. They're comfortable. So I'm gonna buy some inner soles for these boots. Then we're gonna style them. Wow, guys, they're amazing, and they look quite warm. They're quite warm, guys. These ones are good for winter, you see. So yeah, I can't wait to style them. That's the first package. Let me put it in the box because my husband doesn't know that. He just saw something kind, and he never knew that I'm starting to buy stuff. I stopped. Now I'm getting back to buying things. So that is the first package. That is the first parcel of today. The PLT boots, they were quite cheap. I'll attach them somewhere. I think I have the picture on my phone. I'll attach them somewhere. And then I have this one from Amazon. This is a book that I bought from Amazon. I've become a book girl. Now I read like 2 books a week. Wow. Twisted Hate. It's quite a big book. I'm super excited. Wow. Most of these books that I read are like not big, because I read 1,000 Broken Heart. They're like how many pages? They were like 337 pages. This one, it's a full book, and I can't wait to read this one. I can't wait to read this book. Anyway, yeah. So let's go to the next parcel. And where was I? Yeah, I even forgot what I was talking about. Yes, so the next thing that people know me from, some of you know me from a TV show, 90 Day Fiancé. I was in a TV show called 90 Day Fiancé, and some of you know me from there, and some of you hate me from there, because literally I was portrayed like this beach girl. I'm a bitch, but I'm not a terrible person. This me anyway. So this is what you get to know me. If you get to know me, you know that I'm not a bitch, and of course I'm a good person. I think so. That's me. I think so. My friends tell me so. Anyway, so yeah, I was in a TV show. That is, I was in 90 Day Fiancé UK. That's from Discovery season 2. It hired, I think, last year or something. So they reached out to my husband when we already met, literally, and then they reached out and they were like, okay, do you want to be cast members of the TV show? And we were like, why? Couldn't get about that. So yeah, we were there. It's quite an experience. And please, let me just say this: don't believe anything that you see in reality TV. A lot of stuff goes behind reality TV. That's why it's called reality TV. Some of these things are just so much scripted, and of course they want some juicy, and they want you to watch. That's why they'll make you watch it by fire, by force. So yeah, so that's literally where some of you know me from. But literally, I even forgot that I was in a TV show. I always remember when me and my husband in the supermarket, and someone was like, "Oh, you're in a TV show," and I'm like, "Oh yeah." Because anyway, it doesn't give me anything. Never gave me anything. Maybe if you could have given me some, maybe I could become a good celebrity. It's something else. But anyway, yeah. So it was a good experience. I loved it, because I've never thought that I would be on a TV show. Which, as much as I say sometimes it was my worst experience, because after the TV show came out, so many people bullied me, and so many people were so mean. Social media can be mean, but also social media can be the best place for you guys, for other people. So yeah, social media can also be mean, and can also be a good place, because I love you guys. I love my followers. I love my subscribers. So keep subscribing and keep sharing to your friends. So literally, that's where most of you know me, and that's literally my short story of who this girl is and where she is from. So literally, if you have any other questions, you don't want me to answer any other question. Yeah, I met my husband online. Yeah, I met my husband online. So if you have any other questions that you want to know, any other juice that you want me to talk about, just comment below, and I'll be telling you every juicy that you want, because I'm sure some of you want more juice. Anyway, so that was it. The second parcel was this parcel. Royal Mail. I think I have an idea of what this parcel is, because I've been fighting back with this shop cider. If it's not that one, let me see. Yeah, it's cider. I shop from cider, and it's good cider. I think it's cider. I've never shopped from cider, but this person took 100 years to come, and they only said it will take like 3 days or 5 days. My dear, if it's not the way, if it doesn't look exactly the way it was, I'll be so mad with these people. Full soda. What are these? Oh, they're stickers. Oh, that's nice. Cider full and stuff like that. Yeah, they're just stickers. Full, and it comes with a gift for you. It's my first time shopping from this shop, this online shop. And I wanted, oops, let me get it. This, oh my god, wow, I wanted to buy this, but I was like, I'm reluctant. So it's like a tape measure. Is it a tape measure to measure your waist and all these things? So there's inches on this side and there's centimeters on this other side. This is kind of good thing, you see, because I can just, is it going back? It's not going back. Oh yeah, you press on this side, then it goes back. Anyway, I'll use it for my waist. I'll see how many inches on my waist. Lastly, I checked, it was 28. Right now, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, this was the thing, you know, it's fall. And the color of fall is burgundy. Burgundy. Material is not what I expected, but oh, this is how the dress looks like. I can't wait to wear this on and maybe style it. I have an idea of what I want to style it. So yeah, so this is how the dress looks like. And the material is not that bad. It's not transparent. I fought really hard for it was, I think, £11, which is not bad. See, everyone loves some burgundy, especially this fall, and I have like an idea of what I want to do. I got an idea. Follow me on Instagram so that you can see. Oh, and then I have this one. I think this one is from AliExpress. I think it's a wig. Nowadays I've been so lazy about wigs because I've only been wearing this glueless wig, which is easier. Oh wow, just look how nice it looks. Human hair. I love the packaging. I actually love the packaging. And it's burgundy, guys. Yeah, you know the season. You know the season. I want to try some colors anyway. So I hope it's as good as the packaging. I only bought a short one. I'll try it. And then we shall see. Oh, it's disgusting. It smells disgusting. I don't know what's wrong with. But it's quite soft. Oh my god. It's really soft. And I can't wait to put on this wig. I'll put it on. Then guys, I think I'll post the video either in Instagram and TikTok. If you don't follow me, please go follow me. My name is just Massy 90 Day Fiance UK in TikTok and both in Instagram. So I think I've attached the link somewhere on my YouTube channel. So go follow me there if you love me from YouTube. And guys, I notice everyone who has followed me because all those notifications come to my email, and I appreciate you so much. Thank you guys for following me. So yeah, this is the way the wig looks like. It's quite soft and it was quite cheap. That's why I bought it. And yeah, I can't wait to put this on. I think I'll put it on next week probably, and then we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Anyway, let's go to the next parcel. What? Next parcel. This is nice, and I love the packaging. It comes with a wig cup. Yeah, comes with the wig cup. Anyway, the next thing, is it thing? I don't know. The next thing that I go with is other parcel. I don't know where this one's from. Shein probably. Yeah, from Shein. If I get you, please, can you sponsor this video? I've done so many hauls for Shein. What is happening? I love your clothes. Can you? I've spent so much. I need some collaboration. See? Can someone tag Shein somewhere and tell them the girl is watching them? Because I love the brand anyway. It's not that brand is not that bad as much as people say. Oh, Shein. Got some good clothes. And if you've seen nowadays, the clothes are there's so many stores. So yeah, anyway, let's open this. And guys, you want to see how I'm gonna style these things? I'll be posting the shots on my YouTube and my Instagram. So go follow me there, because I can't wait to style these clothes. Okay, what is this? What is this? Come on, what is this? Oh, This is a top that I got, a black top, because I have an idea of what I want to wear with this black top. It's a black top, long sleeved, full neck. So yeah, I have an idea of what I want to sell that top. Anyway, close it aside. Ooh la la, and of course, a bucket bag. Guys, if you see me with these things, just know that I'm coming hot. I'm coming hot. Just look at the bag. Look at the bag. Wow, it's quite nice. Wow, it's quite big. It looks so small, but it's quite big. Yeah, so this is how the bag looks like. That's how the bag looks like. I think let's put it back to where it was, so that I want to do another. Let's put it back there. Then, oh my god, another bagadi. Burgundy. How do you pronounce it? Bagadi? Bagadi? I don't know. English is not my first language, so you'll excuse me. Anyway, the next thing is this leather jacket. Oh my god. I'm excited. I'm excited. Come to the belt. If you see this, just know. I want to open it. But it looks so good inside. Just look at it. Looks inside. Material inside is quite. I think I'll open it, then I'll just fold it first. And the best thing, it doesn't have any smell. This is how the jacket looks like. If you see this, now that burgundy thing is coming. It's loading. Yeah. Period. Just wait and see. That's it for the unboxing and stuff that I got that came today or yesterday, I think. And guys, thank you so much for following me. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys. Keep watching, guys. Give me the watch hours. I'm literally want watch hours, guys. Give me watch hours. And thank you so much for everyone who shares my videos, guys. It means so much to me anyway. And that's it for me. A little catch up. At least now you know an idea of who Mercy is. You're just not watching a stranger. I'm your girl, guys. I'm your girl. Yeah, so follow me, my Kenyan friends, follow me. And of course, most of you who watch me are from United States. Yes, I see you all. Anyway, I love you so much, guys. Keep subscribing, keep liking, and keep sharing to your friends, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.